Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hey MULA gang, it's your girl Shay MULA. I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing video on my Boxycharm that I got for the month of December. Since this is the last month of the year, y'all, ain't y'all ready for 2019? Like, come on, I'm ready, okay? Because so many things are going to be great for me next year, okay? Not saying that they weren't great. I was blessed with the career this year, blessed to have my son who turned 1, but next year it's on a poppin'. I'm trying to go to vacations, go tropical places, and just explore and be done paying my darn car notes, okay? But so let's get into this Boxycharm for the month of December. I don't know why I'm stuttering when I say December. But for the month of December, I got my Boxycharm right here. I didn't open it. It was kind of open already. I don't know what the mail carrier does. But I was watching some other videos and they have some bomb things in that box. I'm hoping I got the same thing, okay? So before we get into this unboxing, y'all, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell button so you can be on your updates when your girl uploads her videos. And I want to welcome all my new subscribers, all my new viewers. I want to welcome my day ones, my MULA gang. I want to welcome you guys. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my video, because there's so many more YouTubers uploading so many more videos than I am. I'm trying to do 2 days a week. Some people do it 4 days out of a week, but now your girl's just doing it 2 days, okay? So I thank you. I do not take y'all for granted. So I just wanted to take the time to thank you guys. So let's get into this box, okay? So let's see what we got. Okay, because I'm excited. So 'tis the seasons, okay, because this is the Christmas season. So this basically says everything on the bag that's in the box. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got some Tarte shimmering lip paint. Let's open this thing. See what's in here. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is pretty. This kind of matches my sweater I got on. My sweater is kind of sparkly, but you guys might not be able to see that. Let's see what it looks like. Do a swatch. So this is like, this is cute. It might not come on as like how it looks here, but this is pretty cute. I cannot wait to try this. So that was the shimmering, the Tarte glitter lip paint. Lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try that, y'all. What do we have in here? Dang, they stuffed this box. I see something big in here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna save that for last. I'm really struggling to get this out. Like, what's going on? Okay, so this is Bodyography Barely There lip pencil. So I'm guessing this is maybe like, this is maybe like a nude. I love nude, y'all. You know how I feel about nude. So that glitter lip paint from Tarte was $20, and a Bodyography lip liner was $12. This, you can't beat this. I think they went up on taxes or something, but I really love the things that they give me, so I don't think I will be cutting my subscription off for the no time soon. I hope you guys got your Christmas shopping done, because it's crazy out there. You know, this is the worst time of the year. People start acting crazy. So the next item, this is called Pretty Vulgar. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Powder, Matte About It. Oh, wow. Weightless Skin Smoother Translucent Powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. And this is $32. Wow. Y'all better go get y'all subscription to Boxycharm. What do we have here? So that was the third item. Ooh. Activated charcoal mask. I've always wanted to try one and I never did. And this is by Cosmetics. And this is a detox activated charcoal mask. Detoxifies your pores from daily grime and Cosmetics activated charcoal mask. I'm definitely going to use this because I have makeup on. So, wow. Earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draws out the dirt and impurities from your pores. Whew. And this is $30 freaking dollars. This is the market retail price. Child, I wonder what it looks like. Oh, I got like a whole tab on it. Oh my god, look. Ooh. It's not really nothing to smell, but so let me open the translucent powder. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, look at this. Pink is my favorite color. So it gives you your own little brush. I'm gonna peel the top off. And it just comes like this. Let's see, with this guard on it so you won't spill any out. Oh! So, I don't want to try to get as close as I can. So I love this. This is just going to make me want to use it because of this pink little powder brush. But this is really nice. And I love the details and the pink and the bird and the flowers. That is so cute. Okay. We have one more item. Y'all will not believe what the heck I got in this thing. Okay, so this is the best, by far, the best box I've ever had. Okay, that's it. So do you know that they gave your girl a PYT mini hair straightener? Get those pesky baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this incredible, adorable PYT mini straightener. The floating ceramic plates adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight, wavy, or curly locks. This little guy reaches the maximum temperature of 400 degrees. And the market retail price is $75 freaking dollars. And I pay, what, $21 a month for a box? I gotta open this. Now I want to just use this but I'm not, because I've already used a flat iron. Oh my god. Look at this. And I got a purple one. I wish I could have got a pink one, but it's okay. It's okay. Kind of matches me anyway. So PYT, it's a girl's world. I know that's right. Yes, it is. And you see how it is? This is very, very good because, you know, the heat and stuff. So this is very good. I love this. It's kind of like the cord is pretty long. Ooh, oh my god. And I love the fact that this goes inside so that way you're not risking anything being burnt or melted. And I love that the cord is like super duper long. Look at this. PYT. This is so darn pretty. This is cute. And then you just have the on and off. I can see myself, girl. This could do a nice little amount for you. Like, especially if you want to go. I Boxycharm. Thank y'all. Y'all need to have more gifts like these. I love this. I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm gonna get up tomorrow just to use it. I'm gonna get up tomorrow. So that's all I got. Like, I didn't get a palette or anything, but that was great. I have enough palettes anyway. But this little mini flat iron, shoot, I was not expecting this. And I was watching some people like I'm like, oh my god, they got flat irons. I didn't think I was gonna get one, and I got one. So I really can't wait to see what next year is. Like, I wonder if they're gonna do something super big because the next new year. But I'm gonna be here for it, and I'm gonna do another video. So these are all the lovely products that I got. Got the straightener, I got the setting translucent powder, and then you got the activated charcoal mask, which I'm about to use as soon as I'm done doing this video. We have a lip liner, and then we got this nice shimmery lip paint. Love it. So that was it for my unboxing for my Boxycharm subscription for the month of December. I cannot wait to see what Boxycharm will bring us for the new year. Hopefully it's something just as good as this or even better, you know, for being a new year. So I will see you guys next week. I'll have some more videos coming up. I'm recording today. Today is record day. So like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And I will see y'all soon, because y'all know I can't get enough of the MULA Gang, y'all. So hopefully you like this video, and y'all should look into getting a Boxycharm subscription. It's only $21. You saw the stuff I got. Okay? Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Every single day